Hey guys, Woofy here. We're playing a game called What is Inside the Box? What is inside the box? So I'm guessing we just press this little thing here. And alright, we're getting started. I gotta let my cat out. One sec. Go ahead, cat. You can leave now. Go ahead. No. What are you doing? Cat. Alright, so let's get back to the game. So, ba. Oh, I thought it was gonna be like a pattern. Okay, this is easy so far. Oh, I have to tilt my phone. It's nice. There we go. Okay, I'm guessing like triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't remember what that shape is called. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Oh, I have to make a 5, I think. Because that makes sense. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. 5. To tilt my phone. Maybe I just have to. Just don't tilt it or something. Oh, there we go. Yay. So have to face the middle. There we go. There we go. I made a 9. I'm guessing I have to put in 10. Because it's level 10. Because the game is tricky. No! I have to go all the way back around. Okay. I think my cat left. So, now I can close the door. Because the people there are noisy. Alright, here we go. 10. Okay. T E N 10. There we go. What? Oh, I get it. Oh, I get it now. Okay, so bop, 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 bop. There we go. Okay, I'm guessing I have to press down on the green ones and not the red ones, because then those probably reset me. And I do not want anything to do with the red ones. There we go. Green is good. Okay, what are we doing here? Oh. Oh, I have to find buttons. Find 2 buttons. Okay. This is easy. Just gotta do a little pattern. 5. I'm guessing I have to put down this sort of shape. Yes. Okay. Yay. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, so basically I just gotta do this. Just keep going. Keep her going. There we go. Neo. Oh, Rizo Furo. Backwards furrow is Orf. Wait, is it? O-R-U-F. O-E-N is... Oh, they're just scrambled. So, the first one would be 1, 0, 0, 4. There we go. And guys, just so you know, I'm not using a walkthrough. I'm as confused as you guys. Okay. What is this? What is this? Oh, I see. Sort of 1 something 7. Something 7. Oh, 147. There we go. Have to make the letter 20. The number 20. This is not going well. Oh, I did it. Okay. Oh, I get it. Up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down. Up. Need a hint. You will get a hint after the ad. Oh no, is there an ad? Yes. Oh, ad. Line with the parts up and down. Okay, so up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down. I'm waiting. Upside down? Maybe. I don't know. Boop, 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 boop. Line with the parts up and down. I don't know what you're talking about. Maybe it's just like up, down, up, down, up, down. Blurf, 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 blurf. I'm as confused as you guys. I don't know what to do. Need another hint. Another hint. Here we go. Double up. Double down. Just down. Up. Down. Double up. What? How does that make sense? How'd I do that right? Oh no. It's one of these. They know I'm not good at these. The game knows. Oh. I got it sometime. I'll get it eventually. Don't you guys worry. I got this. This is just really confusing. This one? No, it's the other one. So I can turn these off and on. So... God, this is the closest I can get. Closest I can get to victory. Okay, I wish I could just have them start at blank again. Oh. This is just more confusing than ever. Sorry, you guys, if I'm being so sad. That's because I can't figure out this puzzle. I swear I had it. This is starting to get annoying. I just want to beat the game. Come on. Press this. This. Okay, well, I don't see how anyone would be able to do this. So, if I have it, yeah, it's literally impossible. Like, it's literally impossible. It's not possible. It ain't possible. There's no way that this can be possible. Wait. Finally! Oh my god. You guys have... Oh my god. That took forever. How long is this? It's been... Okay, guys. I am gonna end this episode here. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!